Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication on your Fortnite game account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Epic Games launcher on your device and proceed forward with logging in to your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Account. This will then take you into your web browser page for your Epic Games Store account. Now within this page, just click on Password and Security and then scroll down and you will see the two-factor authentication section. You can set up email, your phone number, as well as an authenticator app. Once you click on the setup button, you can click on the continue option. After you proceed forward with these methods, the two-factor authentication will be set up, and every time you log in on any device, you will need to authenticate by using this method. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up two-factor authentication on your Fortnite account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.